Thank you so much for joining us today. We have effective collaboration between paraprofessionals and teachers presented by Brittany Holmes, an educational consultant with Kaiser University Multidisciplinary Center.
Hello, thank you again. Thank you, Cheney, for the introduction. Like she mentioned, my name is Brittany Holmes, and today I'm going to be presenting on effective collaboration between paraprofessionals and teachers. In my presentation today, I'm going to cover 3 topics. First, understanding the role of paraprofessionals. Secondly, strategies for successful collaboration. And third, benefits of effective collaboration. So understanding the role of paraprofessionals. It's important when having paraprofessionals in the classroom as a special education teacher, it's important to be clear on the roles. So what are paraprofessionals' responsibilities? Well, they have 3 typically: supporting students, assisting in instruction, and behavior support. Paraprofessionals play a crucial role in providing individualized support to students, including those with special needs, to ensure their academic and social success. They assist teachers in delivering lessons, providing targeted interventions, and adapting materials to meet diverse learning needs within the classroom. Paraprofessionals also help maintain a positive and inclusive classroom environment by supporting students' behavior and emotional needs. So, to further break down their roles, let's look at what a teacher's role versus a paraprofessional. In instruction, a teacher's role is to plan all instruction, including small group activities, and provide instruction in whole class setting, whereas a paraprofessional will work with small groups of students on specific tasks, including review or reteaching of content. They will also work one-on-one with students to provide intensive instruction or remediation on a concept or skill. For this to work, a teacher must provide specific content and guidance about curriculum, students, and instructional materials. A paraprofessional will note student progress and give feedback to teachers, which is always very helpful in developing IEPs. For curriculum and lesson plan development, a teacher's role is to develop all lesson plans and instructional materials. They ensure alignment with standards, student needs, and IEPs. For the paraprofessional, they provide assistance in development of classroom activities. They may retrieve classroom materials and coordination of activities. For this to work, there must be a mutual review of lesson plan components prior to class. You never want your paraprofessional to come in and have no clue what you're doing and how to support you. So it's important that they are aware of the lesson that's going to take place for that day. And then the teacher must also provide guidance about specific instructional methods. Your paraprofessional may not know, so it's important that you educate them. For classroom management, the teacher's role is to develop and guide class-wide management plans for behavior and classroom structures. They develop and monitor individual behavior management plans. The paraprofessional will assist with the implementation of class-wide and individual behavior management plans. They may also monitor the hallway, study hall, and other activities outside normal class, whatever is assigned to them. For this to work, a teacher must provide guidance about specific behavior management strategies and student characteristics. A paraprofessional will note student progress and activities and give feedback to teachers. This is very helpful when it comes to developing IEPs, for FBAs and PBIPs with progress monitoring. So, in addition, there are legal and ethical considerations that should be taken into account. Confidentiality. Understanding and upholding student confidentiality and privacy rights is paramount for both teachers and paraprofessionals in their collaborative efforts. There must be professional boundaries. Maintaining professional boundaries and adhering to ethical guidelines ensures a respectful and effective working relationship within the educational setting. And then legal compliance. Awareness of legal requirements and regulations pertaining to the roles and responsibilities of paraprofessionals is essential for ensuring compliance and accountability within your classroom and in the school. So let's look at some strategies for successful collaboration now that we know what their roles are. Well, first, let's think about the challenges. Role clarity. Often there is confusion about what role the teacher and the paraprofessional has, but we just discussed that. So making sure that the roles are clearly defined and the roles and responsibilities are paraprofessionals within the classroom setting help mitigate confusion and ensure a cohesive approach to student support. Effective time management. Special education teachers do a lot and are often overwhelmed with everything they need to do. But using strategies for coordinating schedules and tasks between teachers and paraprofessionals help with maximizing instructional time and student engagement. And then conflict resolution. In case the conflict ever arises, you want to establish protocols for addressing conflict and challenges that may arise within the collaborative relationship. And this is crucial for maintaining a positive work environment. These things can be established during preschool before the students ever arrive, making sure everyone knows their role, how we're going to communicate, and if there is a conflict, what we're going to use to solve that conflict will help your year go flawlessly. So you also want to establish clear expectation, role definition as we've discussed earlier. Clearly defining the roles, responsibilities, and expectations of both teachers and paraprofessionals fosters a shared understanding of their collaborative partnership. Making sure that you all have the same goal. Aligning goals and objectives for students' learning and support ensures a cohesive approach and maximizes the impact of collaborative efforts. And then you want to have regular communication. Establishing regular check-ins and communication channels facilitates ongoing collaboration and ensures that both parties are informed and engaged and are working effectively. Use effective communication strategies. Active listening. Cultivate active listening skills and open dialogue between teachers and paraprofessionals enhances understanding and promotes effective problem solving. Feedback mechanisms. Establish feedback mechanisms and reflective practices encourages ongoing improvement and refinement of collaborative strategies. When a teacher gets an evaluation by their administrator, let your paraprofessional know what went well and what things may not have gone well, so that both of you are able to constantly improve. And then once again, conflict resolution. Implementing clear protocols for addressing conflict and challenges supports a positive and respectful working relationship. Build effective relationships. So you want to have open communication. Establishing clear lines of communication between teachers and paraprofessionals is essential for understanding expectations and fostering a collaborative environment. Respect and appreciation. Recognizing the expertise and contributions of paraprofessionals creates a supportive and inclusive work culture, benefiting both student and staff. Many times paraprofessionals feel like they are not respected in their work. So just taking the time to respect and appreciate them can go a long way. And then professional development. Providing opportunities for training and professional growth empowers paraprofessionals to enhance their skills and contribute more effectively to the classroom. As we all know, what you don't know, you don't know. And therefore, if a paraprofessional doesn't know best practices and doesn't know what behavior strategies to use, they're not going to be able to help you successfully implement those in the class. So providing them opportunities to learn skills to become better will help your class and help with keeping students on track and instruction and gaining data for your IEPs and FBAs and PBIPs. Implement professional development and training. Targeted training. So providing targeted professional development and training opportunities equips paraprofessionals with the skills and knowledge necessary to support diverse student needs. Maybe your paraprofessional does everything great, but struggles with collecting data for behaviors. Doing a training or having them attend a training on how to collect data for behaviors could help you in your class. Collaborative learning. Engaging in joint professional development activities fosters a culture of continuous learning and collaboration between teachers and paraprofessionals. Do trainings together so that allows you to have time to work together to figure out how you can better improve your classroom structure and environment. And then skill enhancement. Offering opportunities for skill enhancement and specialization enables paraprofessionals to contribute meaningfully to specific areas of student support. What are the benefits of effective collaboration? Well, one, student achievement and engagement. Enhanced learning outcomes. Effective collaboration between teachers and paraprofessionals positively impacts student achievement, engagement, and overall academic success. It helps with individualized support. Students benefit from tailored support and interventions that address their unique learning needs, promoting a more inclusive and equitable learning environment. It also helps with a positive classroom environment. A collaborative approach contributes to a positive and supportive classroom climate, fostering a sense of belonging and well-being for all students. And then curriculum alignment. Collaboratively planning and aligning instructional strategies and materials ensures that paraprofessionals are equipped to support the delivery of curriculum and learning outcomes. It also helps with resource optimization and efficiency. Maximize resources. Leveraging the strengths and expertise of both teachers and paraprofessionals optimizes the allocation of resources and support within the educational setting. Special education teachers are often overwhelmed with everything they have to do, but paraprofessionals are there to help. Please utilize them. Time management. Effective collaboration streamlines tasks, maximizes instructional time, and promotes efficient use of resources to benefit student learning and well-being. A class can run way more efficiently if there is clear roles and you have a paraprofessional that can step in and assist in making sure things go well. And then consistency and support. Collaborative efforts ensure consistency, instructional and behavior support, promoting a cohesive approach to student care. Professional and ethical growth. The ethical practice. Collaborative partnerships foster ethical and professional growth, promoting adherence to legal and ethical guidelines in the delivery of educational services. Continual improvement. Effective practices and ongoing collaboration contribute to the continual improvement and refinement of professional standards, while collaborative partnerships offer opportunities for professional growth, skill development, and the exchange of expertise between teachers and paraprofessionals. Student-centered focus. A student-centered approach underpinned by effective collaboration ensures that the needs and well-being of students remain at the forefront of educational practice. Job satisfaction. A supportive and inclusive working environment characterized by effective collaboration enhances job satisfaction and morale among educational staff. As we know, when you're satisfied with your job, you're much more likely to stay, and the same is true for paraprofessionals. And team cohesion. Building strong collaborative relationships contributes to a cohesive and harmonious team dynamic benefiting both students and staff. Yes, students are benefited from the cohesion of paraprofessionals and teachers. Here are my references that were used for this presentation today. And at this time, if there are any questions, I would like to address those. Otherwise, this concludes today's presentation.